In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to create a transcript from a live recording or an uploaded file. To get started, log into your Otter AI account and wait for the main dashboard to load completely. This is where you'll manage recordings, uploads, and save transcripts, so it's helpful to take a quick look around before you begin. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see the option to either start recording live or import an existing audio or video file. If you want to capture speech in real time, click the record button. As soon as you do, Otter AI will begin listening through your microphone. So make sure your microphone is connected and working properly before you start speaking. For the best results, speak clearly and at a steady pace, and try to record in a quiet environment. This helps improve transcript accuracy and makes the final text much easier to review later. If instead you already have a file you want transcribed, click Import, then select the audio or video file from your device and allow the upload process to begin. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so just let the process finish without closing the page. Otter AI will handle the transcription automatically once the upload is complete. If you're using the live recording option, continue speaking into your microphone until you've finished capturing everything you need. If you're uploading a file, simply wait while the system processes it in the background. In both cases, Otter AI is working to convert spoken content into readable text, which can save a lot of time compared to transcribing manually. When you're done with a live recording, click Stop. After that, your full transcript will automatically render under My Notes. If you imported a file, the completed transcript will also appear there once processing is finished. This is the main place where you can find and open your transcription afterward. At this point, you can review the transcript and make sure everything was captured correctly. Otter AI does the heavy lifting for you, but clear audio always leads to better results. And that's all it takes to create a transcript in Otter AI, whether you're recording live or uploading an existing file.